Yep, there they are. There's the goosebumps.
Yeah, I'm kind of speechless. I really am. Again, I don't know how to describe. It's like the first time I put headphones on.
What if you could walk away from your home hi-fi system and still take its sound with you? Not a watered-down version, not good enough for travel. The same sound, the same architecture, the same soul. 2 years ago, the écoute TH1 proved that was possible. Now, the TH2 takes that idea, portable hi-fi without compromise, and perfects it. Let's get one thing out of the way. Yes, these have vacuum tubes. And no, it's not a gimmick. We didn't put glowing triodes in headphones for decoration. We did it because tubes simply sound better. They've been the anchor of high-end audio for decades for one simple reason. They make music feel more natural, sound more real. And once you hear it, it's hard to forget. The TH2 advances the full system concept by using a true end-to-end dual mono signal path, the same layout you'd find in a high-performance 2-channel system, and something no other headphone attempts. Each channel gets its own independent DAC core, then its own triode functioning as a dedicated analog preamp, and finally its own discrete analog amplifier. Everything stays separate, exactly as it should in a proper 2-channel system. No shared stages, no crosstalk, no compromises. The result? A wider, more dimensional soundstage, cleaner separation, a listening experience that feels less like headphone playback and more like a performance unfolding in real space. The TH2 keeps everything listeners loved about the TH1, just refined and improved in an order of magnitude. It features a redesigned headband with better weight distribution for increased comfort during long listening sessions, stronger RF shielding and improved vibration dampening around the tube stage, deeper bass and more extended treble with cleaner overall detail, better noise cancellation with a lower noise floor, and improved passive isolation so the world stays out and your music stays in. And because everyone's preferences are different, the TH2 gives you 8 bands of built-in tuning. This isn't a digital overlay. Your adjustments are written directly into the DSP at the firmware level and preserved at full resolution. So your custom voicing stays clean, consistent, and true across every input. Neutral when it should be, expressive when it matters, but always yours. The TH2 isn't trying to replace your home system. It's designed for the moments when you have to step away from it. On the commute, on the plane, at work, or just into the next room. It's the same architecture and sound that made you fall in love with listening in the first place. The warmth, the presence, the realism of your home system, but in a portable, wearable form. Écoute, the evolution of vacuum tube audio.